Welcome back to Module 4 on citations. This is Lesson 6, Short Citation. Moving to the roadmap today, during this presentation, we're going to cover the general basics of short citations. What is id and its rules? What is alternative short form? What to use alternative short form? When to use alternative short form? Alternative short form cases. And finally, alternative short form for statutes. Now, short citing in general, full citations, if we remember from earlier lessons, contain all the information a reader may need to determine the source of the cited material. Depending on the specific source cited, full citations can be long and cumbersome, as I'm sure all of you are aware. The Blue Book allows the use of shortened citation forms for repeated references to the same authority. Now, a general rule is once a full citation has been given, a shortened form may be used for subsequent citations to the same authority found within the same general discussion. Id is the abbreviation for the Latin word idem, which means the same. Id is used to indicate the immediately preceding citation is to the same authority. Now, if there has been an intervening citation to a different authority between the current citation and the previous mention of the same authority, id cannot be used as an alternative short form must be used instead. Id may be used for cases, statutes, constitutions, periodicals, etc. Now, rule number 1 with id. Use id to cite to the same authority as was cited in immediately preceding citation. Id is always underlined and italicized, including the period, and it is only used with citation sentences and clauses. Let's look at an example. Now, when you're mentioning a case in a sentence, you're going to want to still mention the case name and not use id. And the right way here, in deciding Prince, the court analyzed several factors. Not in deciding id, the court analyzed several factors. Rule number 2. Rule number 2, pinpointing same page or section. Now, when we say pinpointing here, we're referring to pin citing, as I know we have previously referred to that as in these lessons. When the cited material is found on the same page or in the same section as the immediately preceding citation, no pinpoint or pin cite is required. Rule number 3, pinpointing different page or sections. When cited material is found on a different page or in a different section than the immediately preceding citation, you should include a pin cite or a pinpoint. Pages, you must include the word at and the new page number. For example, id at 321. Sections, you must include a section symbol and the new section number. For example, id space section symbol 55A. Subsections, you must include the section symbol, the section number, and the new subsection number. Do not include only the new section number. For example, id section number space 55D. Moving to alternative short form. Individual authorities, including cases, statutes, and constitutions, have special rules for short-form citations when id cannot be used. Blue Book White Pages Rule 10 controls the form of the case for case citations, and Rule 12.10 controls the form for statute citations. Now, case alternative short form. This you're going to be using a lot. When id cannot be used for one or more intervening citations to different authority, an alternate short form must be used. Below is the alternate short form format. You have the shortened case name, plus volume, reporter name, plus at, and pinpoint or pin cite page. Case alternate short form rule number 1. Provide only the information below. Shortened case name, volume number, reporter name, abbreviated according to Blue Book Table 1, the word at, and a pinpoint page number, whether it is a new page number or the same as the prior citation to the same case. Omit all other information found in the full citation, including the beginning page number, court information, and year. Rule number 2. To identify the case, use the first party listed in the full citation and omit the other party. We have some exceptions, though. Number 1, frequent litigants. If the first party listed in the full citation is a frequent litigant, choose the second party for your shortened case name. Frequent litigants include most government units, agencies, or officials. It's important to note frequent litigants do not include most businesses. Number 2, 2 cases with the same name. When your document includes short form citation to 2 cases with the same name, choose the second party for one or both of the cases to avoid confusion for the reader. Rule number 3, shortening long names. Longer names of businesses or organizations may be shortened following these guidelines. Enough of the name must be retained so that it cannot be confused with the person's last name, however. Do not shorten to one word unless the party is very well known and it cannot be confused with an individual. Drop words like corporation, incorporation, or company and similar terms unless it would leave only a single word. Examples in alternate short form. Please read the picture on slide in order. Now, moving to alternate short form statutes. After an intervening citation due to a different authority, use an alternate short form that clearly identifies the statute being cited. Below are citations involving different alternate short forms for statutes. Please take a look at those on the slide in order. Quiz time. Please take the quiz on Canvas short form, and if you need assistance, please don't hesitate to ask your TAs for help. Talk to you guys soon.